Are trees neurodivergent? Do they even know about what is normality or diversity? Do they have a sense of what is natural, or is everything just so alive for them that everything is natural? I don't know. Hi, I'm Marion Dorval. I'm a creative creature, hybrid artist, and I'm also the founder of the Bodyvoice flow, which is a holistic and creative practice to nourish the body and the mind, free our voice in a way that is natural to us, and support our life through the daily life. And I was just about to record some practices from the next vocal tree season, which is a series that I offer online, a series of practices around trees and the voice and the body. And I was doing my little weird things outside that is quite natural to me, and there were people around walking their dogs and chatting. And I'm in a public space, it's not really isolated, so I like it because it helped me to practice in a place that is not completely apart from the world, but just enough nature for me to feel really secure, really alone when I need it. And as I am and as I'm practicing, I just realized that I'm doing movements, I play with my voice, I do things that just my body needs it. And as I was doing my thing and thinking about what I could offer and record for the vocal tree season about giving and receiving, I was just receiving this insight about how much it's not about being normal or not doing things, daring or not. It's just that I need to do this. And there's a point where the body and the voice tells, this is the way, this is where I want to go, this is how I want to express myself, and it's not about myself anymore, it's just about life inside of me. And that's what we call the place where the ego tends to fade away a bit. And I like these moments because it reminds me that no matter who, walks around, what people say, what people might think, if I'm alone in my room, alone in nature or not, when my body feels secure, especially when I'm in nature, it just naturally wants to expand, and the voice goes along with this because one helps the other. This is the great combination and mutual co-creative help they can give to each other. The body helps the voice to flow, and the voice helps the body to be more grounded and to expand, to take up space. And so do the trees, at least that is my perception. I was just, as I say, doing my movements and playing with my voice and hearing people chatting, and I was in a moment where things were just so easy, and I could reach something subtle, really subtle in my hands with the movements, and the sound was so exquisite, very simple, yet nothing like a performance at all, whether with the body or the voice, really not what you could imagine, or something sophisticated, quite complicated, as a professional singer, not at all, just expanding. And I really didn't care about people there. I was just in my thing. And this is some place that you can reach more easily than what you might think. It doesn't require a lot of time. It doesn't require very exceptional conditions. No special skills. But just like meditation, it's a practice. And of course, it's easier when you're placed with other beings that show you the way, just like this tree, Does she ask herself if she will look normal, if she will conform? Does she over-adapt? Yes, she adapts herself. but not in a way that is too suffering and not to the detriment of her vital force. And this is one of the maybe greatest lessons I have received from nature, and especially tree. Flowing with life, accepting the unknown, the ebbs and flows, fear, anxiety, but also joy, the mixture of all that, while staying grounded and most and first recognizing what life needs to just be. So if you resonate with this, if your body or your voice resonate with this in a way or another, be sure to check the link towards the vocal tree season. This season is about giving and receiving, and I can't wait to give you more details about it in another video. So see you soon, trees and beings and creatures.